Good morning, everyone. It's a great Saturday morning as we embark with the Forestry Department and a host of other persons going on a hike into the hills up to Syncona, starting at Clydesdale, driving up, very pristine, very beautiful, very relaxing. And that's the purpose of these hikes. It's about wellness, it's about mental space. And we are gathered here at the office of Toyota, who is a part of this organization. And guess what? Looking forward to it. All right, guys, so we are ready to go. And the ride has begun. Right, good to be here this beautiful Saturday morning in the Blue Mountains. We're right above Halliwell Park, about to start this hike. It is a forest wellness hike, and there is a deep link between health of the environment and human health. And this morning is really a kickstart to an awareness campaign about the health of our forests and indeed the benefit that can come from hiking in this space. So I'm working with Minister Tufton, indeed the Ministry of Health, and of course the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation through the Forestry Department to ensure more Jamaicans get to experience our forests and get the health benefits from it while appreciating why they have to make safe environmental decisions. All right, so guess what? We are now at Clydesdale, part of the Forestry Reserve, and the trek has been long but good, amazing, lovely scenery. Really feeling relaxed, and we're about now to do the 5K or so walk up to Syncona, that beautiful botanical garden. It's very important because guess what? At the end of the day, health is not just about hospitals. I keep saying it. Health is about enjoying your space, enjoying your environment, interacting with nature, just giving your mind a mental state that is relaxing, that is comfortable, and that refreshes and rejuvenates. And that's what our hike with the Forestry Department is all about. That's why I'm promoting it. That's why I'm encouraging it. And I'm saying to all Jamaicans, you can do it too. Find a tour guide. Go see a beautiful side of Jamaica.
So, just start with the sink from Clydesdale, heading up to Syncona. It's been a tough hike, but all of us can do it. Be easy, so we have to stick it up. It's about a 5K up. Feet a person can run, but we shall walk.
So guess what?
So
the slightly senior citizens of the group, still young but nevertheless older of the group, have to take a little time out, rest, because as you can see, it's flowing. Look at my friend Tom there.
No, I'm just keeping the older ones company.
But guess what? It's all good. We're enjoying ourselves. All right. Here we are, guys. We have made it to Syncona Botanical Gardens, all the way up in the Blue Mountains, and it is breathtaking. It's relaxing, it's peaceful, it's cool. The view is just amazingly scenic. My mental space is in a good place, and that's why we encourage it.
Beautiful. The air is just so clean. Some of it was definitely challenging, definitely got the heart rate up, but leveled out and was manageable for the most part. So it's definitely a very enjoyable way to spend a Saturday morning.
Tired. Oh, but just awesome then. Them do well. I did well. The journey was really good, and I lose 5 pounds, I believe.
It was great. I'm happy I made it. I wasn't necessarily at my fittest, but because the trail has an incline and it's gradual, I was able to pace myself. Plus the spectacular views were motivation to get here.
So after a nice trek, a rest, a little yoga, little tour, some picture taking, relaxation. We're on the way back down. Enjoyable hike today from Clydesdale to Syncona with the team. I'm sitting down because a little bit tired now. However, a very enjoyable sightseeing hike with good people, good company. All have relaxed, I believe, and we've enjoyed the view. This is an amazing part of the country, the hills of St. Andrew up in the Blue Mountains. And I think it has really re-energized us, certainly from a physical, mental perspective.